Good morning, friends. Hope all of you are safe. Wish you all the best. Have a safe journey ahead. Today, we may discuss something about the e-way bill, which is very much in discussion in the business field. First of all, we need to know what is e-way bill. E-way bill is just transfer of data in electronic form at GSTN portal. So far as the GST registered assesses are concerned, no major change is required while creating e-invoice, e-bill. The basic purpose of e-bill is to control duplicacy of invoices and to straight line and to smoothen the process of input credit being available to the buyer. I may clarify that e-bill shall be applicable on B2B basis, means business to business, where the sale is direct to the consumer. E-bill is not required. Now, how to create e-bill? There is nothing much to be done by our accounts people. Invoice is to be created in the accounting software as usual, and after creation of the invoice, JSON file of the invoice is to be uploaded on the IRP portal, invoice registration portal, which will be controlled by GSTN portal. And once that JSON file of a particular invoice is uploaded on IRP, it will create a QR, quick response number, which will be a unique number, and after creation of that QR by the IRP, which are being controlled by the GSTN portals, an email will be sent to the buyer as well as the seller on their email address given on the invoice, and that e-bill will automatically get digitally signed by the IRP, invoice registration portal, and only digitally signed invoice e-bill shall be eligible to be taken for input credit purposes. Practically, the input shall automatically be transferred to the buyer, and the problem which right now some of us are facing, that input credit takes some time, and sometimes it happens that e-way credit is not reflected in GSTR 2A of the buyer for months together due to some reason or the other, those things will be set right by implementation of this e-invoice. E-invoice shall be applicable to all B2B invoices. It shall not be applicable to B2C invoices. And in March itself, due to some infrastructure development problem, the GSTN portal development, the government has deferred e-invoice till 1st October 2020. So by 1/10/2020, the entire machinery will be geared up, and government's plan to curb the duplicate invoices shall be set right. So there is nothing to worry for the business, for the genuine business owners, because this is going to ease out the things in future. This is all about e-invoice. Still, if you have some queries, you are most welcome to talk to me at my cell 98964 50904.